Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It is time for another Witch's Moon unboxing, which is always very, very exciting. Oh, this is always just such a nice time in the month for me whenever I get to sit down and just have a really chill time opening one of these boxes, smelling the nice things, learning about all the different stuff. It's a very nice little form of me time, so I am quite happy about this. So let's just go ahead and open it all up. Alrighty, so we've got some stuff here, and it looks like more purple noodlies. We have more purple noodlies this month. Goodness, it's like the old days on this channel. Okay, but first of all, let's see what we have on top. So we have a piece of art that is Aphrodite. Some people get confused sometimes. I am a bit behind on these boxes, so if this doesn't match up to when you think it should be out, that is why. I am running a little bit behind, but I am doing my best. It's my constant struggle of not being able to accept that you can't please everyone. It's either I try to get caught up and put out a bunch of these videos at once and make some people angry, or I try to spread these videos out between other videos and end up behind on them and make other people angry, and it's something I'm working on. I'm trying, but I always have this issue. But this says Aphrodite and it's beautiful. There's lots of different information here. Look how pretty. I forgot to take my old chip nail polish off before doing this video. I'm sorry. Apologies. Okay, so we have another spell here, and this says Amer. So that's cool. So I wonder if this goes with the candle again. I don't know if maybe they're not wrapped around the candles anymore. We will see. We will see. I'll set that aside for now. We have a lovely sigil that is absolutely beautiful. I just love sigils. I really do. I don't know what it is. I find them so fascinating. I just love the way they look. So very nice. We have our personalized oracle reading this month, and this one says cycles. Everything has its right time. Honor the cycles of your body. Turn it into the moon's magic. Wow, and it has a lovely unicorn on one side. And then I think this is like the northern lights on the back. And as always, we have the information of what all is in this box, but I always read this at the end because I like surprises. So anything that I don't understand within the box itself, I find out at the end of the video instead of just ruining all the surprises up front. Okay, this box smells great. It smells like something from Lush, but I can't place what, but there's definitely a very Lush kind of smell coming from this, if you get me. We will remove the purple noodlies. Oh, I'm delighted already. So right on top, we have a little pack of jasmine and we have a little pack of rose, and you guys know that these are two of my favorite scents ever. Oh, I just love it. So this is great. And we also have some raspberry leaf. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, so I was just about to pick up the salt and somehow had not seen something glaringly obvious that looks amazing sitting right on top of the box. I don't know how. Right, okay, so first let's do this. I'm gonna hold you in suspense for just a minute. Let's have a little look at the salt. So this is Litha salt, I believe. So this is definitely a very lavendery one. I don't know what else, because I can definitely smell the lavender, but I'm also getting something else. But you can for sure see a lot of lavender in this one. And this is the little label. Okay, are you ready? Oh, it's even cooler than I thought. Oh my god, Witch's Moon has done it again. I am going to have a heart attack. Okay. You guys probably can't see it as well as I can. Where are my scissors? Okay, so like this is what I could see from the top. Already cool. Oh. So cool. Okay, there's some sort of beads in here, and I'm already very excited about that because you know I like, oh, that sound. Isn't that just delightful? But you guys know how I feel about beads. But first of all, this box, it's like an actual big shell, but it's also a box with like mother of pearl inlay, or I assume that's what it is. I don't, you know, the stuff that's like, this is like the coolest thing ever. And for anyone who's like very much into like ocean witchery and stuff, oh my gosh, is anyone else screaming along with me? Because like, this is like one of my favorite things that we've ever got in a box. This is just so cool. I am obsessed with this. I don't know what I want to keep in here. Okay, opening the beads. Oh my gosh. So first of all, it's that style of beads that I love. We've gotten it twice from the Witch's Moon before. I think the first ones were like a lovely green and the second ones were like a light blue. These ones, okay, so first of all, I'll show you just like a little portion. So we've got some lovely pink beads, but then as well as the lovely pink beads, are these like real pearls, or am I, like, these look like pearls to me, like they're irregular shaped, and oh my gosh. And there's more pearls on the bottom, and then like a purple tassel. These are so beautiful. I kind of can't get over it. There's also some what I think might be like some bigger amethyst beads down near the bottom as well, but it's mostly like these pink ones, maybe rose quartz I guess, and then what I am assuming must be pearls. Kind of can't breathe. That's just so cool. Well, I am just absolutely delighted. I don't even, nothing else matters now. This has already just blown me away. Okay, so we only have a handful of things left anyway because I ended up doing the big items. So we have our incense. Oh, that's lovely. This would be like, I couldn't really say that this smell is feminine or masculine. This would be sort of very neutral to me, maybe slightly leaning towards masculine, but it's really, really nice. And I always need more incense. We have, oh, another double spell candle. This one is pink and it's definitely rolled in some nice flowers and stuff, so that's very cute. And then our oil this month. It's good it was all wrapped up because it's leaked a little bit. Not very much, but it's just like enough to be, you know, you can feel it. Oh, Aphrodite oil. Okay. Oh my god, that smells amazing. What the hell is that? I'm just gonna cover myself in that right now, I think. I have no idea what that is, but that smells amazing. That is my favorite oil that we've ever had. Oh my god, this is such a good box. Oh my god, I'm having such a good time. Okay. Okay, so that was everything. Gosh, I feel like I got through that very quickly. Maybe not. I don't know. It felt very fast. Maybe it was just because I was so obsessed with the whole box thing, because I'm still kind of like, I can't. Let's just... This box is the Adorned Goddess box. Okay. Empowerment and Manifestation Necklace. Yes, custom made for this collection. Rose quartz, amethyst, and freshwater pearls. Yes, I was right on all, and oh my god, I am still obsessed. This beautiful piece holds the energy to bring countless benefits to your daily craft and spiritual experiences. Rose quartz is being chosen for this piece to bring with it unconditional love and compassion. No. Yeah, that barking will go on for hours now, so I'm gonna have to close the window and bake to death. Amethyst has been placed as larger beads to alleviate anxiety and impatience. Great facilitator of emotional ease during meditation. Oh, lovely. Among the most revered are the natural freshwater pearls that we were able to include. Known for natural properties, pearls have been associated throughout history as providing the wisdom to strengthen and enhance the growth of love from within. Oh, so there's loads of information on the necklace, and I am just so happy with it. Mother of Pearl shell box. To accompany your empowerment and manifestation necklace, we have included a mother of pearl shell box. This beautifully crafted box is a great tool to charge items while they're not in use. It's the iridescent inner layer of the shell of oysters and abalones, known for stress relieving properties. Well, I'm obsessed with it. Passion enhancement sigil. Oh, the intention of igniting passion in all things that we pursue. Well, that's wonderful. Aphrodite Book of Shadows artwork, yes. The Amer twin spell candle set, yes, we got all of that. Candles have been anointed with jasmine, rose, and patchouli oils. Special mixture of divine connection and passion magical oils. And they've also been rolled in rose and jasmine buds. Aphrodite magical anointing oil. Okay, I'm excited to see what's in this because it smells great. Enchanted this magical oil with jasmine, rose, patchouli, and sweet marjoram oils. And included herbs of rose, jasmine, hibiscus, and bloodroot as well. There's also a Lemurian quartz in there and a blend of our Come To Me magical oil from the personal cabinet of Witchery. Well, I don't know, maybe just it's the combination of jasmine, rose, and patchouli that has me like delighted, but whatever it is, it smells so good. Litha Sacred Salt. Litha is the Midsummer Sabbath, and been enchanted with orange, rose, and bergamot oils, as well as hyssop, I think, lavender, St. John's wort, and hawthorn herb, and a special mixture of midsummer magical oil. Attraction incense sticks, yes. Raspberry leaf. It's being long used in the craft to induce love. Jasmine buds, holding the power to attract love, bring about money, and induce prophetic dreams. Rose petals, long been used in love mixtures, also there to nurture the emotional body. And then there's the personalized oracle reading and the parchment paper. So that all works out lovely. I am delighted with everything. This was a great box. The necklace and the box that like the necklace came in have just blown me away. Like when I saw this like sitting there, I was just like, ah, and look how like shiny and beautiful. Oh my god, I love this so much. I am so happy. Whew, okay, so I am dying, but I love this. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to check down below for all the appropriate links and such as, of course, the link to this box, but also to my Patreon, which is a great way to support this channel. If you don't know what it is, just go ahead and click the link, and there's lots of information that will tell you a bit more about it, so you can decide if that's something that you want to join and become like an extra part of the family. And as always, please do leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, give the video a wee thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing, because we would love to have you. So I'm delighted. Oof, I'm going to go and cool down because I'm baking, but I had a wonderful time doing this today. I hope you had a wonderful time watching it. I hope that some of my happiness spread to you, share some of those positive vibes, and I will see you in the next video, I guess. Bye, lovely.